Hello, my name is Sharita Gardner. For my technique demonstration today, I'm going to be doing it on mindfulness. I decided to do mindfulness because I find out it's one of the things that I struggle with myself, being present in the moment. Most days when I wake up, I'm consumed about what I have to do when I get to work, how many clients I have to see, if I'm in the field, how many home visits I have to do. I often tend to not be in the present, but worried about the future. So, for this exercise, again, it's called mindfulness. Mindfulness is a technique that requires mentally training oneself to be present in the moment. So, for this exercise, you want to focus on avoiding past thoughts or future thoughts. It requires you to be focused on the present and the things surrounding you. For this demonstration, I chose to do 3 activities that I will accompany you through today. It's suggested that in starting mindfulness, that you start off with 3 activities per day. So for this demonstration, I broke it up into a morning exercise, an afternoon exercise, and an evening exercise. For the morning, I think it's great for you to start off your day with positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive sayings of who you would like to be as a person, how you want to be. For this exercise, you're going to look into the mirror and you're going to say with confidence and speak loudly the positive affirmations. For you guys, I decided to list a few examples of positive affirmations that I actually found. The first one, today I focus on what makes me feel good. If you would like to do this exercise with me now, you can choose to repeat after me. Again, today I focus on what makes me feel good. The second one I decided to use is I get to choose how my day unfolds. Most times we allow the energy of other people to affect how our day is going. The third, I am a powerful person, or my positive attitude will help me throughout the day. It has been studied that this exercise can reinforce chemical pathways in the brain and make the connection between the two neurons stronger. For the afternoon exercise, I decided to do the purpose, the mindfulness bell exercise. The purpose of this exercise is to focus on a specific sound and avoid all outside distractions. If you look into the message board, I have provided a link to YouTube that will play a chime. You would start off by clicking on the link that has been provided. Once you set that up, it would be great if you could do this in your office, at your desk, or even in a quiet place. Any quiet place is definitely recommended. If you have headphones, that's a plus. You're going to click on the link. Your aim is to focus on the sound until it completely fades away. During this exercise, you want to keep yourself firmly grounded in the present. I know sometimes when you listen to things that you find yourself getting distracted or thinking about something else. But for this, you definitely want to stay in the present. So right now I'm playing the video so you guys can hear the chimes down. It should be starting in a second. So as you're listening to this, you want to sit quietly and listen to the sound play all the way out until its completion. The video that I have provided is 52 seconds, so it will only take a minute of your day to complete this exercise, just to get a reboot of energy and to refresh and start new. Okay, so I'm going to end that video and we're going to proceed forward with the evening exercise. For the evening exercise, we're going to do journaling. I'm sorry, I'm moving screens around to review my notes, but I'm sorry if the screen goes black. All right, so for journaling, we're going to focus on gratitude journaling. So in the evening, you want to take 5 minutes to just relax. Most times when we come home from a busy day, we're stressed, we're thinking about different things, as I mentioned before, things that we might not have done throughout the day and things that we plan on doing tomorrow. So, for this, you can get something like this, which is a journal book, or you can use a notebook, um, depending on if you have a note inside your phone, anywhere where you can kind of just get your thoughts out. For this exercise, you're going to think about things that you're grateful for throughout the day. You want to try to avoid negative thoughts or things that you didn't do. In the message board post, I provided an excerpt of my own journaling. Um, for this, it says, "Today I arrived to work on time. Although I did not get my work done throughout the day, my time spent with one client made her day." So it was some bad things that happened throughout the day. However, my influence and help on one individual meant something to me. So I wanted to make sure I mentioned that in my journal. Studies have shown that journaling has been found to improve sleep quality, lower blood pressure, and improves overall health. So there you go. Hopefully you guys can try these 3 exercises either today or tomorrow, and hopefully within the next week. Thank you for taking the time to listen and have a great day. Thank you.